Hey everybody, if you're a biker or a runner and you basically need something that can strap to you, that's tight, it's fitted, not too tight, fitted so you can put like your things, like your phone and just different things so you don't have to put them in your pockets or hands, this video is for you. So just come to reach out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview, a little finish, tell us what you think about our, I'm just gonna call this like a vest, like a running vest. I said, sure. But in no way whatsoever this provides to be a fitness review. I'm just here to keep it real. So this is it. Goes all the way around. It goes over your head like this. So it goes over your head. And then it's got clips. 1 and 2. So it comes up and over just like this. Very lightweight. I think it maybe not even 8 ounces. It's very, very lightweight. It has a mesh material, so you can kind of see there's a sort of a mesh type material. Reflective here, just so at night cars can see you. There is a sort of a netted pouch on the rear side, with a zipper. I would give this a great rating as far as the material, kind of how it is just put all together. You have, there's some stretch to it, so when you strap this on, it's fitted, so there's definitely some kind of stretchiness going on here. Then on the front side, that's really where the most of it is going to happen. So you do have the back pouch, but then on the front pouch, it serves a couple different purposes. It is really 3-in-1. 3-in-1. So you have the pouch that looks like this. There is about a 3.5, 3 3/4 opening here, and roughly about 7 inches or so here for, let's just say, a phone, something that would slide in there. It looks to be waterproof for sure because you can see the plastic inside here, and it's sort of 2 layers. So you have 2 pouches. So technically, I guess, if you want to put 2 phones or 2 things that you wanted to kind of have in front of you, you have the outside one, which is this side facing, and then you have the inside one. What's really cool is the inside has the clear back, and it allows you to touch through this to kind of manipulate the screen. So when you're wearing it, you can flip it down and check it out and see what's going on the phone. So if you get a call, if you want to change music, if you want to do whatever, you can easily access it while wearing the harness. The harness is adjustable using these elastic straps here and here on both sides. And then it also has an elastic. This is the stretchy part here. This is sort of like almost like a bungee cord, stretchy right here. And this also can be, stretched out. So from an example standpoint, let's just say from a fit, like who's going to be able to put this on? Well, if you're from a size standpoint, let's just say you wear an extra large or double X shirt that's your go-to, this is still going to fit. So in this example, that would be the shirt size. In this example, pull it around. You're going to clip it just like this. Clip 1. On the back side, you're just going to grab the elastic, reach all the way around, and clip in the front just like this, and adjust it accordingly. Now, if this, from a size standpoint, this can get even bigger, but it just fit, so I didn't even need it. It wasn't even adjusted when it came straight out of the pack. Here, to give an example of how you would use this in a out and about running situation. So here's the pouch, Velcro. You could take your phone out just like this, put it in, close it, and then this little button right here, this little buckle, unbutton that. It's also, so it's double, it's Velcro, and it has a button snap, so it's sort of double protection from this flopping around or possibly coming loose. While you're out and about, this folds down. You can access the phone and see what you're doing. And then you have another pouch inside here as well. So a little bit smaller pouch for, and I would say this is roughly 3.5 inches wide here. And then another probably 6 inches or so, 6.5 inches deep. You do your thing, flip it up. And then you button in place. and you are good to go. So pretty cool. I would say very cool. I didn't even know this thing existed. So riding the bike, just doing something physically active. You just want to kind of have it hugged to you, and you don't want put your stuff down. It fits kind of like a well, it's a harness, but in this example, wearing a tank top, it's almost not even noticeable, especially with a color matching shirt. Hopefully this answers any question you might have about this very cool running vest. We'll tie this in.